Hi everyone, welcome to Shunfu Gardens Block 310.
今天有一个少有的五房式单位带您参观。
This unit is a very limited edition and it's only 3 minutes walk to Marymount MRT with sheltered walkway. And do stay property 65.
和我们一起参观这个温馨的家。
This is your only chance in 2 years as there is no 5-room flat transactions in this block for the past 2 years. Located along Shunfu Road, this unit is only 2 minutes walk away to Marymount MRT and 9 minutes to Upper Thomson MRT. Just 3 minutes walk to Shunfu Mart Food Centre and Wet Market and Sheng Supermarket at Thomson Imperial Court. Add another 2 minutes and you'll reach to Thomson Plaza. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 8 primary schools within 2 km radius, including the reputable Catholic High School, Top 2, which is within 1 km. While within 2 km, the prestigious CHIJ Toa Payoh Primary School, Kuo Cham Presbyterian Primary School, and Aitong School.
Welcome to your upcoming home. This is 121 square meters and you step into the balcony. You can take a breath of fresh air over here, adding extra dimension to your home.
Since there are only 2 units per level, it will be your biggest privacy privilege. Let's check out this unit right now. Including the recess area, this unit is sized at 1,302 square feet. It comes with a balcony, 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, bathroom, living and dining area, and an enclosed kitchen.
Welcome to this living area where you can easily fit a 3-seater or even 4-seater sofa in this living area, and you can invite all your guests and host a party. The best thing about this layout is that you have 2 entrances, one in towards the balcony and another one at the main door, which is the original door, as this building is a walk-up apartment. However, due to further upgrading, there is an additional entrance at the balcony. So you get 2 entrances, convenient for you.
现在我们来到了餐厅的区域，我们看到同样拥有良好的采光，餐厅与客厅的双窗设计也达到了很好的南北通透的效果。宽大的餐厅区域也让你有足够的空间可以做多一个房间出来。
Imagine stepping into a kitchen that's not just functional but a canvas for your culinary dreams. Renovate it into your own dream space where family cooking activities become a cherished tradition. Enjoy ample space and a large vanity, creating a perfect blend of practicality and elegance. The bedrooms are designed for comfort and functionality, spacious enough to accommodate a queen or even a king-size bed with bedside tables or even a full-height wardrobe. It is definitely a most functional layout for you, providing you a serene and functional spacious space. Where can I find more eatery options? With less than 9 minutes walk, you'll be at Upper Thomson MRT. There are a huge variety of eateries options here. The Roti Prata House, Fat Boys Burger Bar, Soy 19 Thai Wanton Mee, Oaks Coffee Co., others, Salted Caramel, just to name a few. With 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Bishan MRT, where you can transit to the North-South line and head to Orchard in just 5 MRT stations. With also 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Caldecott MRT, where you can transit to the Thomson East Coast line. What's more, MacRitchie Reservoir Park is just nearby, perfect for your morning run or jogging session.
Finally, introducing the master bedroom. Can you look at this king-size bed over here? This master bedroom, you can fit a full-height wardrobe over there, which let's go and see. Okay, so this full-height wardrobe is a full panel all the way from the front to the back, flush into this room, maximizing the whole functionality of this layout. So as I open this wardrobe, you can see it's a full-height closet. You can put the upper, lower dressing or your tuxedos or your clothes, apparels, all you can fit in this full-height wardrobe. So there's many other compartments in this wardrobe, but I'm not opening because of the owner's privacy. So other than that, master bedrooms, the best thing is the ensuite bathroom. So the ensuite bathroom over here, it's very clean, hygienic, but you can do your own renovation and maximize the space and maximize the design up to your own desire because you're buying your own home.
Renovate this space and watch it transform into a lush retreat. Do remember you can always change the renovation of a home, but not the location and the floor level of it. Embark on the journey to transform these spaces into your perfect oasis.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you love this undervalued gem. Please remember to contact us if you want to buy this unit. And please remember to click like, share and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms linked in the description box below. And in Property 65, we uplift your home value, resell higher. Explore your choices with us today.
我们厉害！